What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today. Another very exciting Samsung video for you guys, and today we're going to be talking about an issue that Samsung has identified that can cause peeling of the paint on your Galaxy smartphone. This is a very interesting one that you want to be aware of so you do not have this problem. We covered over on the website, but I wanted to bring it to your attention. Before we get started, I do want to thank my 4-year-old son Jonathan. As always, we have some dinos to hang out in the video. We got the T-Rex and also the yellow horse, some dinos and some animals. Always appreciate him. Again, make sure you guys are following us over at SammyGuru.com. If you haven't yet, we covered this story first on our website. Not only can you get the latest Samsung news, tutorials, tips, tricks, reviews, you can also get in our free mystery box program. So if you're ordering a Galaxy S25 Ultra, you get a free case, cleaning kit, desktop phone stand, other randomly inserted goodies. Put in your phone number or email, sign up, and then we'll be sending those out in January 2025 when the phones launch. The details will be in the pinned comment description. But here's the big story. Our full-time writer, Samit, over at SammyGuru.com, covered this story. Third-party chargers could cause paint peeling on your Galaxy phone. So specifically, some of their Z Fold 6 users, which is why I have this big, beautiful device here, because there's my Z Fold 6. Got the carbon black looking color there, or whatever it's called, craft black, I believe Samsung calls it. And it says here, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 users, they've been complaining about various issues with paint peeling. So it says they've claimed, and here's the claim. Let's actually go over to Reddit really quickly. You can see the paint peeling around his button here. That's around this area here. It's actually like this area, the power button area. Sorry, see if I can get that in focus for you. There you go. It's like that area. I don't have any yet, as you guys can see it. Just know there's a paint peeling in my Fold 6 near the button area. Sure, I didn't scrape it. Anyone sees similar stuff. There's some other people that are kind of chiming in with some photos of theirs as well. Now this one is not the craft black model that I have, so could be a specific thing for the color, of course, but let's read a little bit more about what he has. So this isn't the first time. Some of the people have mentioned this in the past. So Samsung has chimed in and they have a reason for this. They're saying that this could be caused by third-party chargers that could cause this issue. So here's the statement from Samsung over at Samsung UK. It says third-party products causing paint to peel off Galaxy devices. Samsung devices and accessories undergo rigorous testing to ensure they're safe and function properly. However, if a user attempts to use an incompatible third-party product with their Samsung device, there's a risk of inadvertently causing damage, such as paint peeling to the device. So you can see paint peeling caused by improperly grounded third-party chargers. When they're not properly grounded, the leakage current can affect the anodization, the process that gives the metal surface a decorative, durable, corrosion-resistant finish, which may slightly delaminate the paint. Please make sure to use official Samsung chargers to prevent these issues. Using EMS massagers that are powered by mobile devices can also cause this, probably a much less common thing, and they give you these precautions. Now it says if it's a charger that comes from a high quality company that's adheres to the standards of the charging industry, like Anker, like Basis, a lot of the chargers I've talked about on this particular channel, you're not gonna have any problems. But if you buy a really cheap one from an unknown brand on Amazon or Temu or AliExpress, you could potentially have an issue. So for this, I highly recommend taking Samsung's advice, because obviously they would not have made a statement about this if it wasn't something that they were concerned about. So make sure you listen to what they're telling you here. Use the Samsung official charger if you can, but if you want a higher speed charger because you have other devices or with multiple ports, something from Anker, Basis. I have a bunch of different charging brands that I use personally that are partners with the channel that we also send out some products in the mystery boxes that I've tested personally. I'll drop some links below if you guys want to check it out. But I'm really curious, have any of you guys seen this? Obviously you could see on mine, on my Z Fold 6, there's no paint peeling around the buttons on this one. I mean, I've been using it without a case occasionally, but there's no paint peeling on mine. So I haven't had the issue. Curious if any of you guys have it, specifically with the Z Fold 6, but also with any other devices as well. Anyway, let me know in the comments. We can talk more about this. Check out the website, SammyGuru.com, for the latest news, tips, tricks, tutorials, all that good stuff. Appreciate you guys checking out this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.